Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to easily get more storage on iOS 14 and how to clean up your phone and make sure you have more storage, especially if we have the smaller 64GB models or even smaller than that. So it's actually pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to look through here. I don't have a ton on my phone right now. I do have a lot in my app library, but I don't have a ton on the main part of my phone. But anyways, what you guys are going to do, depending on how your phone looks, you can go over to your settings really quick. You want to scroll down and you want to go to General. And then you want to scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Now, this is going to show us a whole list breaking down from the the biggest apps all the way down to the smallest. So we can see here, when we look through here, on my phone at least, we see my Insta361X app is holding 4.73 gigs. So we can go ahead and click on that. And then you guys see the difference between the app size and the documents data. So we can see here that the app size is not what's taking up majority of the space. It's the documents and data. It's because I have a lot of videos downloaded in the application. So even if we were to offload the application, it would still hold the documents and data. So it won't do any good with this application. But if we look to, for example, Virgin Galactic here, we see that the app size is 1.81 gigabytes and the documents and data is 2.7. So this will be a good app to either delete or to offload. If you guys are unsure what offload means, it means that this will free up the storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place it back in its same spot and the data is still available right away. So what this will do basically is it will make the app look grayed out on your phone. And then whenever you click it for the first time, it'll just re-download it and install it again, just leaving it in its same spot with your documents and data. So it's very helpful if you don't have any other choice or if you want to keep the app and not fully delete it. You can offload it. So for example, I'll just offload this application and then it will clear up 1.81 gigabytes on my phone. So then as we keep going down here, you'll see there's lots more that you guys can choose from. If you guys aren't going to use the app at all, just delete it. It's a lot easier and a lot more space will be freed up because of it. But this is a good option for you guys to scroll down here and just see the apps that you don't use or that you won't need through here. So like Dropbox, I don't use that. I can get rid of that. Let's see, for example, another example here. We could get rid of this motivation app that I tried out. Get rid of that one. But yeah, you guys just look through here on your phones and decide what you guys want to delete or offload. I recommend deleting or offloading as much things as you can because the more space your phone has natively, the faster it will be. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to easily get more space on your iPhones with iOS 14. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.